ओके कैसे है ये?
फूलते हुए गुलाब जैसे हैं।
ये बहुत अमेजिंग है नाफिया। कितने प्यारे हैं। चलो दोनों मिलके सूंघते हैं।
Okay.
बिस्मिल्लाह। I thought you were going to give it to me. नाफिया, the crunch. Look.
Subhanallah.
Mm.
Amma.
Mm.
Come here. You love it. Come here.
You will love it. It's amazing.
Beautiful.
Bambar hai
Bambar.
bambar. So for this recipe, I take 1 cup all-purpose flour, about just a little bit block, about 2 tablespoons butter, pinch of salt, or according to your taste, and mix it well. And now add a warm water little by little and make a soft dough. And once your dough is all done, make sure give proper knead for 5 to 6 minutes. That's very important. My dough is all ready. Cover this dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. So pan on the heat, about 1 tablespoon butter. I put about 1 cup kaju and almond in grinder, and I make a powder kind of thing, and then a kishmish sultana. So this is basically about 1 cup. 2 to 3 tablespoon semolina. Cook that for good 1 minute. Just saute that. I'm gonna add 1 cup coconut. Keep saute on slow flame. About half a cup sugar. 3 to 4 cardamom. Saute that for low flame for good 5 to 6 minutes. And after 5-6 minutes, my stuffing is ready. Let's cool it down for 10 minutes now. So my flour is ready. I'm gonna make 2 bowls out of that. So equal. Sprinkle some flour and roll the first ball. Now keep that aside. Let's roll our second ball. Now spread some butter on top of 1 chapati. Add some flour on top. And place your other chapati on top. Roll it again. Roll it as much as you can. Now fold it slowly, but make sure don't stretch it too much. Now our roll is ready, but make sure don't stretch it too much, okay? So our roll is ready. Let's cut it about that long, and then make sure this part, bring it here, tuck it here, and just press. Let's cut it, okay? First. So I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of only 1 cup flour. Now take one piece, press it hard like that, and keep it aside. So take it like that and keep it aside. So take one of the piece, roll it, and make like a small round chapati, okay? But roll it really gently, okay? Not with too much pressure. So just right in the middle, just place your stuffing right in the middle as much as you want, and then fold it. But before you fold it, add a little bit water. So just a water on your fingertip and close it like that. I'll show you a few more. Wait. So I'm gonna close it like that and then pinch and this. Pinch. So just roll it down. It's so easy. Like a rope kind of thing. It look beautiful when you fry them. Like this. But make sure it's secure properly, okay? So this is one done, and I'll show you another one now.
This
recipe.
When we were kids, there was
Yeah.
this Bangladeshi family.
Bangladeshi, my neighbor, she used to make it for us. Not for us, for their children, for her children, and then she give us a little, and they always complain, oh, she give us very little.
Very nostalgic.
So I used to make them. And after 25 years, I'm making this recipe.
Wow.
So let's see if you like it. If you like it, comment below. So I add a little bit stuffing right to the middle. Wet my finger with water. Keep a little bit water on the edges. And then fold it, but make sure fold it right to the other edge, okay? And then pinch and make like a rope kind of thing, like that. Twist and like this. Twist, pull, twist, and like this. And now I'm gonna make all of these, and when I fry, I'll show you. Heat my oil. I'm gonna place my first karanjil. So some people call this karanjil and some call barwa puri. So I'm gonna place all these, but medium to slow to medium heat, okay? Let's cook it on slow to medium heat. Our barwa puri, barwa kulcha, karanjil, you can call them any name. And also slowly keep changing sides as well. Make sure keep changing sides, okay? Look at that. Oh, the taste is amazing too. It's not only the look, okay? Now, if you want to come to see, let's dish it out. Dish it out.
That's usually how I decide anyway whenever I'm in.
My second veg is getting ready now. Getting ready, guys. Getting ready.
Wow, this is my childhood.
Yeah.
And the smell reminds me of my childhood.
And look, kitne phoolte hain. Look. It look like me. Okay. Ye dekho. Hey.
Wow, all this
Smell is like halwai shop.
halwai shop is like ditta.
Yeah. Ditta shop. Allah ditta shop. So basically, my father like mithai shop in Peshawar, only ditta mithai.
So if you're in Peshawar, definitely go to ditta.
Ditta is amazing. Yeah, ha. ये देखो देखने की चीज है, बार देखिए देखने की चीज है.
I have to do my hummus.
I'm gonna do my hummus.